African men should learn from Somalia men.
Yeah,
They
handsome.
are handsome, yeah.
Yeah, they are very handsome actually. They have good hair, they are tall, they know how to walk.
Yeah. They are positive.
Oh.
And I heard that they have a lot of money. Is that true?
Yeah, I was able to interact with some people and they told me like in their own culture, it was a guy from Egypt. He told me in their own culture, women they can't sit in a living room with the men.
What? What do you mean? Like they can't?
They can't. Like
really?
When they are the men they are there, the women they eat in the kitchen or they far from the living room.
Really?
Because that
This is like
how if I say like in the top top men, let me say top. Like the men that we need to be loved in Africa, who work hard, who help their family, who know how to suffer for their children. I think Somali men they are in that one.